Real quick video with the view today. 2004 Saturn view. This bulb, the middle dome light over the rear passenger, they can be kind of hard to figure out which ones you need when you're looking on Amazon. So I had someone ask, what did I get to get the bright LED? And about to find out. Ooh, it's very bright. Get it to darken a bit so y'all can see. That's what it is. And I will roll in the info on it. As you can see, it's very bright. Illuminates very nicely in here. Definitely have no complaints. And it detaches just with these little tabs, and you can see I didn't even need anything major. I just happen to have this little guy that has had better days from going to the junkyard. But anyway, it worked perfect to pull that off. Put it back on. It's literally just lining up the tabs and pushing it back up. Nothing major, but you can stick a little small slotted screwdriver in there and very gently push in and pull down. You get too harsh on these guys, being older, you could break them. Let's check that back one as well. Yeah, the design on this guy appears to be identical. Just pull that down. And same deal with the tabs. Let's see if we can adjust that brightness down. There you can see the style of bulb. It's just got those little plates of LEDs on it with a little wire. It's got the little wire ring right up there. To see how this hooks, it actually hooks around. There you can see my finger, see a little, it hooks around the back side of those. I just had to figure out how to adjust the lighting so y'all can see that, just so you know how it actually, the bulb itself actually installs. But yes, I've been very happy with these guys. They've been in here for over a year and have held up just perfectly. But it took some doing to find the right ones. Alright, and just so y'all know, this is the one that I bought. I'll put a link in the description. It's gone down in price and they've got a coupon on it. Just make sure you get if there's any options when you find it. It's for the 561 for the view, and it's 44 millimeters. But these little hooks, that's what I was trying to show you as to how it hooks in there, and those guys work great. You can see the little individual bulbs like I was showing you, and I did get the Xenon White, the 2-pack, because you could do the front and the rear, and I think I'll actually probably purchase an additional set since I'm seeing they're on sale, just to have on hand in case anybody burns out. But thus far they have held up beautifully. I've had no problems out of them, so get my thumbs up on them. Again, I've had them for probably a year and a half at least now, so yeah, I appreciate them. So this is a little short one. I need to get something up and need to get working on the videos, but since this was a request, I'm putting it up raw and straight away for you guys. Again, this is on my 2004 Saturn view. It should be the same from 03 to 07. Just double check. I showed you how to pop the dome light down, so you can take a look up there and see if it looks similar to mine. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Well, we have hype now, whatever that is. Not sure what it does, but yeah. All right, you guys. I appreciate y'all. Take care.